called me yesterday?
I'm Kathy.
Kathy, I'm Dorothy. Nice to meet
Dorothy,
you all.
nice to meet you.
I was a nurse since 1989 until 2023 when I had an accident that disabled me. So before I used to be able to do my yard work, and that became more and more difficult because I couldn't mow my grass anymore. Being outside as much as I can. It's not like when I had kids and went hiking and all that kind of stuff, but yeah, I do love the outdoors. Well, I normally don't come out here too much anymore to be able to actually walk on it just because of my difficulty getting around. But I do enjoy, like, when I come out to go somewhere and looking over and seeing, oh, my lawn looks nice, you know.
That's true.
And I have a sun porch where I can look out, you know, to the backyard, and I have a lot of bird feeders. I'm a bird woman.
I saw it. It's right there, a couple of them.
Yes.
I saw you're feeding them.
Yeah.
What's your first impression about Yarbo?
It's relatively quiet. It's quieter than the stuff that my neighbors use to mow their grass, so that's nice. It cut part of the yard over there, and it looked like it was very nice and to the level that it should be. And so I'm looking forward to never having to do it myself again.
Awesome.
Because even when he was doing my grass, he wasn't doing these areas here.
Okay.
Yeah, he was just, I don't know if he didn't want to tip his riding mower or what was going on, so.
But you can definitely manually control. You can like sit in the house, or you can sit here and then just like turn on the plate and then run it over this area manually. So maybe just take like 10 minutes to run it.
So I don't have to program it. I can just, on the app, I can tell it to go there.
We can show you how to control manually. So you will be easily to cut it by yourself, even though you don't have to like ask somebody to help.
Yeah. I just didn't know also. I mean, it obviously got down there somehow, like over one of the hills, so it didn't fall over and stop. So it obviously can handle that.
Yeah.
Which is great.
If you don't need to like worry about your yard, and then you don't need to ask your neighbors to help you to mow your lawns, and then where are you going to spend your time?
Well, just it is difficult, you know, sometimes to have to ask people to help you. When my life, I was always helping everybody else, so it is hard. And being the oldest of 9 kids in my family, it's hard to ask people sometimes to help you, you know, with different things that you have to do.
Yeah, sometimes they may have their own schedule. They have like other plans, and then it's a little bit hard.
Okay, I'm here again asking, so it's going to be very helpful. Yeah.